I was very confused about how to take on my professional career, and I had a lot of challenges at my workplace. So I came across the I Am Iron Lady masterclass for the Facebook ads and thought, why not give it a try?
Now what I have attained from this masterclass, I have gained confidence,
given me fresh aspirations,
make people around me, my team and the department and the company as such to deliver on their efficiency.
I live with a purpose.
How to have your big, hairy, audacious goal,
empowering beliefs,
various actions and a focused approach to achieve it.
The course really toughens you with strategies of war, rigor, and the skill of making powerful requests that make you unstoppable.
I know that I can fulfill my dreams.
The program has so much to offer at so little cost. Every morning I do the mirror work and tell myself that I am worthy of abundance, wealth, and success.